Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix our heating issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1: turn off voice over. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on Accessibility. Tap on voice over. You can see appears on screen voice over already off and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5-10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check for iOS update. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact me support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix our heating issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.